So all the sheeting's now done in the ensuite. And the vanity's going there where it was before. And the electric mirror, LED mirror, then the glass shower will go there with the shower head, the niche, the mixer tap, and then over there will be our built-in electric heated towel rails, and our toilet goes there. The bottom half of the separate toilet in the hallway's now got sheeting on the walls and the floor, ready for the toilet net and the tiling to be happening. So this room straight ahead is where the vanity will go and the LED mirror. And then this has all had sheeting, bit dusty. So that's where the shower will be, and the mixer on the left. And then just up here where the wires are sticking out will be the vertical heated towel rails like in the ensuite. And that's where the light switch will go. So that's what it is so far. Now it's ready for waterproofing, and then the tiler can come.